So this is apartment 202, full kitchen, stove, microwave and fridge. There is a boiler and utility closet. Full cupboard mainly for a pantry. There is a small veranda just to step out on if need be. So we have washer and dryer. The first bathroom, complete with bath, shower and sink. The first bedroom, again with full closet and everything. Just like that. Decently spaced and sized. Then we have the just another storage closet for bed sheets and everything. And then lastly the master bedroom, which is a good deal bigger than the other. Again, same decent sized bathroom with shower and everything. And then a full walk-in closet, of course. That's about it. Thank you.